Welcome to this video. Living on Own Terms is a transformative self-help program designed to empower individuals to take control of their lives and achieve personal success by making the move online. The program offers a range of resources, including engaging workshops and insightful coaching sessions, to help participants identify and overcome their obstacles. By fostering a growth mindset, Living on Own Terms encourages users to set and pursue their own goals, leading to increased confidence and self-awareness. The program emphasizes practical strategies for managing stress and building resilience in the face of life's challenges and helping others change their lives. Additionally, it creates a supportive community where members can share their experiences and inspire one another. Through interactive content and expert guidance, Living on Own Terms aims to unlock participants' potential and promote lasting change. This initiative is ideal for anyone looking to redefine their life path and embrace new opportunities by making the move online. Ultimately, Living on Own Terms is about empowering individuals to live authentically and pursue their dreams with financial independence.
Thanks for watching this demo. I hope you loved it. Don't forget that I have some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos.